We are going to show you how to do the installations of the MP Bulktech Templiners. Thanks for watching. At the end of this video you'll be able to install your own Templiners. I'll go through it with you, we'll go through it step by step and I'll illustrate how we do it. Firstly, this is a 6-meter Templiner. It weighs about 11 kgs. And every liner is folded in a certain way so that by the time the liner is unfolded, you guys can hack it straight away. So let's go through it. Open up your Templiner. Inside you will find your tape to seal the liner and of course the ropes to hang the liner. The difference with the 6 meter and the 12 meter is that the rope is obviously double the size. Let's get to it. First step is to open the front of the liner up. You'll see it to the front as the liner itself has elastics which obviously go onto the doors. The second step would be to grab the back of the liner and walk to the end of the container. The easiest way to do it is to obviously start, if you're looking at the container itself, is to start on the left hand side, because when we're ready we'll open the back and it will sit in place. Let's hang the ropes. You get 2 ropes, which is 1 set per liner. Start always at the back of the container. Go to the opposite side with the second rope. Once both ropes are attached, walk through and open them. Okay, let's lash it through the container, start at the back, every loop, all the way to the front. One of the key things with the rope hanging too is to make sure your rope is as tight as possible. The looser the rope is, the lower the liner will hang in the container. So let's get it tight. That's how it's done. Do the other side. Same thing on this side, as tight as possible. Okay. Now to go to the back of the container now, the easiest way is to open your liner. Like so. And all you do is you open it evenly. As you can see, the line is sitting in the right position in the container. How do you know it's the top or the bottom? 2 easy steps. Your floor of your liner is white. Okay? And on the top of the liner itself on both sides, you've got 5 tiles on each side. The liner is in place in the container. Let's start hanging it. Always start from the middle. I'll always start from the middle, as it obviously gives you a center on the liner and you're able to adjust it as you pull. You can see the liner is a bit further high in the container, so let's pull it back. The liner is now in the corner. And with the tires now, the liners can't move at all. And you carry on and you go all the way down. There we go. As you're going down on the liner, just make sure that all the creases are out the liner. And that will give you the length that you require. And last one. You can see now that the one side of the liner is complete. The best and easiest way now is to go opposite, so start on the other side. The side you started, and we hang that way. Middle's done. Then again, same thing, you go to the back. Back's in place, and then we go all the way down. Okay, next ones. And last one. And your liner is hung. What we also do now is just a quick and simple step. There are elastics on the liners to obviously hook onto the doors. Optional if you guys want to use them. The roof flap normally gets folded over, and there you can see your liners fitted. Great. A 12 meter liner is exactly the same way to fit. The folding is different, obviously it's double the size. You open it back. The floor will be white as well. The ropes will be double the length, and you have more clips to hang. Thank you for watching.